SES stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at SES AI. I see a big correction down this last couple of weeks, and more so a month plus. And what else can I say other than I'm just pretty much waiting for rules to be met in order to buy. Now this looks like very optimistic and very bright, like everything is rainbows and shine, but like it's not really the truth. Like it's not the case. I'm not going to be buying unless the rules are met. And again, I'm talking this, but like because I've done 37,000 videos and I've seen what's making me money and what's not. All of this is documented on my YouTube channel. But like what I want to say is that I'm only really going to buy here the moment I start seeing double breaks above like 68 cents and so on. And if the price keeps breaking beneath 37, then we're going to close this off with being a bearish, with this being in a bearish market. But in this case, I'm just waiting. And I know it's so boring, but that's what trading is. Welcome to trading. So if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. It's a blueprint. Check it out.